You're gonna love the 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless start, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.